Hello and welcome to your morning yoga practice. Today's class is going to be a simple relaxing yoga sequence for all levels. Focus on releasing tension in the physical body. We will begin this class by lying down on our backs. Bring the feet to touch, allowing the knees to fall open, coming into supine butterfly pose. Letting your hands rest on your hips or placing the hands on your belly and heart. Option to modify by placing pillows or blankets underneath the knees for added height and support. Drawing the breath into the belly, and as you exhale, softening the mid-back and the lower back. Great, go ahead and hug both knees into the chest, grabbing the outer edges of the feet. Allow the bottoms of your feet to touch here as well. Or option to open the feet for happy baby pose, rocking from side to side, massaging your lower back. Great, gently release and plant the feet back down on the mat. Reach your arms up, relaxed by your side. And draw the knees across your body over to the left side, coming all the way down to the mat. Grounding both of your shoulder blades, coming into this beautiful spinal twist. As you lay here and breathe for the next minute, I invite you to just observe your body. Notice how your body is feeling this morning. And whatever may be coming up, see if you can meet it with a sense of exploration and curiosity. Take your last few breaths here. And then draw your knees across on the body over to the right side, finding your twist on the other side. One more breath here. Deep inhale and exhale completely. Lift your knees back to center. Bring your forehead to the knees and take a big squeeze here. With your next exhale, lower the feet down and roll onto your belly. Bring the forearms to the mat, coming into Sphinx pose. Gentle back bend here, pressing through your forearms, lift your chest and keeping the shoulders away from your ears. Taking a few breaths here. Go ahead, push into your palms and send the hips back to your heels. coming into child's pose. With your inhale, ripple forwards, come into cobra variation. Only lower your hips as far as you're comfortable with. Exhale, send the hips back down to your heels. With your inhale, ripple forwards into cobra, take your gaze up. Exhale, send the hips down to your heels. With your inhale, come forwards, find cobra. This time, stay here for a few breaths, enjoying your cobra pose. Whenever you're ready, tuck your toes and lift your hips, come into downward facing dog. Keeping a generous bend in the knees, or walk your dog out by pedaling out the legs. Finding movement in your down dog by looking over the right and looking over the left shoulder. Find stillness in your down dog. Plant your knees back down on the mat. Send your hips to your heels, and while you slowly lower down, thread the left arm under the right, coming into child's pose variation. Forehead or cheek resting on the mat. Feeling a nice little stretch along the right side body and the left shoulder. Slowly unwind, reach with your left hand to the top of the mat, and with your next exhale, thread the right arm under the left. Gently release and slowly come back up, taking your time here. Inhale, lift the hands up overhead, bring your palms to touch. Exhale, hands to heart center. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me on this slow morning yoga practice, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.